This project has two paths. Path A is project deliverable, procure hardware, test hardware, and second path is project deliverable, procure software tools, write and program, test and debug. And then the install activity has two predecessors. Number one, it has test and debug and test hardware. These both are the predecessor to the install activity. The install activity, as you can see here, will start on 22nd of June, whereas you will procure hardware and you will complete this procurement work for the hardware on 18th of March. That means you will have this hardware will be kept in an inventory room for around more than 2 months. So why don't you purchase hardware and test hardware right before the development of the program? So here you need to set task dates to specific dates. Sometimes tasks need to occur on specific dates or follow other date constraints. Like here in this example, you should purchase hardware right before the install activities to start. So date constraints are one way to specify when tasks start or finish with varying degrees of flexibility. Every task comes with some type of date constraints. To see that, insert the column type in this Gantt chart. Right here, you need to click insert column, just type for your convenience constraint type and you will see the column here, and the default type is as soon as possible. When you schedule your project from the start date, this is the basic type. That means it's completely flexible. Project will schedule your task as soon as possible based on predecessors, duration and resource assignment. It's pretty obvious here. The install activity will start on the 22nd of June, and on the other hand, test hardware activity is finishing on 18th March. That means the server will be kept in an inventory room for months and it seems inappropriate. You should purchase hardware right on time, not couple of months before. So let's see how long I can delay this purchasing work without delaying my project duration. To do that, you need to go to the constraint type here and just select as late as possible. This will take you to June 10th, that you must purchase, like you must change here as late as possible. Now the new date is you can purchase the hardware on 18th June and you can test your hardware between June 10 and June 21. Whereas you can see the install activity will start on June 22nd. So this date did not change here, but here I got new dates without delaying the install activity work or the overall the duration of the project.